experience it. It had happened to them. The only difference is they were few, unique, handful of leaders 18 years ago. We're not starting from scratch today. We're not starting from ground zero today. In this Metro 10, we are starting with 450 leaders who were millions. We're stronger today. We're more powerful today. We are bolder today. Within the next 3 to 5 years, babaha at napakaraming milyonaryo sa area. This is not the time to down. This is not the time to look back and think of other things. This is not the time to entertain other businesses. This is the time to dare. Everybody say dare. I dare to believe. This is the time to dare. Believe more. Dream more. And with us, you will accomplish more. Are you with us? Sa pangarap mo, sabay-sabay namin tutulungan ka. Pumataw, bumuo ng mga bagong pangarap. Yung maliliit, malakihin mo. Yung pangarap mo na medyo katamtaman, malakihin mo pa. Ask me why! We are here. We're not going anywhere else. Nandito lang kami. Bubuo ng mga bagong pangarap para sa kumpanya to. Kasama kayo. Kasama kayo na kumita na, na-experience na, nagtagumpay na. Uulitin mo na lang ulit. It's muscle memory. It's brain memory. Nasa loob mo na ang success. Kung nakatulog ka, tapik-tapik lang, gigising din yan. Huwag kang matulog sa pagkain live. This is the time, guys. This is the time. Mas masarap umangat pag walang pabigat. Ito na inaabangan mo. Kung nagtatampuhan man kayo, this is the time to catch up. Kung nawala man yung